guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again with another hair video. So before I get into the video, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching my other videos and subscribing if you have, and also do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Today's very special because this video is sponsored by a hair company called I Define Hair. Y'all, I'm super excited because this is my first hair review and unboxing. This is the first time I'm trying this kind of wig. It's the headband wig. I'm sure you guys have seen it. Yeah, anyways, let me just go right into the video. I'm using this package, and because it's a headband wig, I got this kind of headband. It looks like this. I actually got 3. This holographic one is very stretchy, by the way. And I got this one. I think this is my favorite headband. This is my favorite. I've been seeing a lot of girls wear this, and I just like how it looks, but it's very sparkly, and one of my favorite colors, hot pink. I mean, what am I saying? Pink. I said hot pink, but yeah, this is how it looks like, y'all. Y'all see the glitter? It matches my nails. Let's see. Period. Okay. Yeah, the company also sent me this little bag. It has a rat tail comb. Y'all know if you wear wigs, you can never go wrong with a rat tail comb. And then of course, a wig cap. Every girl needs a wig cap. They are clutch because they gave me a darker wig cap and this, so you know, variety. Yeah, there's that. And now time for the wig. So y'all, this is how the wig looks like. 20-inch. It's a 20-inch wig. Very soft, little to no shedding. And y'all, all you gotta do is just spray some water. Usually I will use like water and hair conditioner and mix it up together, and then spray it on the hair so it can be soft and have more defined curls. But yeah, so I am going to put this on camera and show you guys how to wear the wig. Okay, one thing though, before you do this, y'all need to slick your hair back really nicely and do your baby hairs. Wow, this camera. Don't forget to do your baby hairs, y'all. Okay, so this is cute, whatever, but I think I'm gonna add some water and hair conditioner to make the curls a little bit more defined, because you know, I feel like it'll look better. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back again with my conditioner and water and some new lips. The big question is, can girls with big foreheads wear headband wigs? Yes. Yes, you can. I like how it looks. Okay, I like how it looks. Would I wear this every day? Yes. Yes, I will. Yes, I would. I would wear this on days I don't want to really wear my wig. And I mean, putting the whole glue, you know, if you wanna break from wearing wigs, and I mean like the glue, having to put glue on your head or your baby hair every time you want to break from it, this is a perfect wig. It looks bomb. You know, you get to wear your natural baby hair out to let it grow, and then from time to time you can put like the hair growth stuff in there. You know, yeah, so I would definitely recommend it to my big forehead girls because it's convenient, it's efficient, and it looks good. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. Thank you. I'm so excited to see where this channel takes us as a family, and I am super excited for our new babies that's gonna join me. Alright babies, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to, and also if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Also check out the description box to see where I got the hair from, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.